There's been a lot made about making movies and photos and seeing behind the scenes, etc. In fact, I was in a movie that was literally all about that. What it takes to pull off a production. The thing about it is that it works more or less the same for these fashion shoots that I've been doing for much longer than I've been acting. Not that I necessarily knew I had a choice to do one or the other, which isn't to say that I was forced into doing anything. I think I just figured that that was how one made a living when I was young. At any rate, the fact that anything gets made in this world full of so many people and opinions is still sort of astounding to me, and thus sort of beautiful. Even this mango campaign.
Okay. And background!
Yes, that is his name. I didn't intend to tell it to you. But when I like people immensely, I never tell their names to anyone. It is like surrendering a part of them.
Kaia, they need you for something? Kaia? Kaia? Yeah? Oh. Hi. 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 They need you for something.
Did they say what for?
Never to me.
Right. I guess never to me either. I have grown to love secrecy. It seems to be the one thing that can make modern life mysterious or marvelous to us. The commonest thing is delightful if one only hides it. When I leave town now, I never tell my people where I am going. If I did, I would lose all my pleasure. But somehow it seems to bring a great deal of romance into one's life. I suppose you think me awfully foolish about it? Not at all. You seem to forget that I am married. And the one charm of marriage is that it makes a life of deception absolutely necessary for both parties. I never know where my wife is, and my wife never knows what I am doing. When we do meet occasionally. When we dine out together or go down to the Duke's, we tell each other the most absurd stories with the most serious faces. My wife is very good at it. Much better, in fact, than I am. She never gets confused over her dates, and I always do. But when she does find me out, she makes no row at all. I sometimes wish she would, but she just laughs at me.
Morning sound. Silence, please. Lock it up.
I don't know if they change them, but I guess they're not fixed. It's just weird.
I don't like it. They kind of just lump us all together because of when we were born.
There's a scene in which I'm supposed to be a dissident representative of Gen Z for this campaign. I don't even know what that means.
And how did they want you to do that?
I have legitimately no idea. I guess I'm wearing this. I could do a makeup tutorial on Twitch.
You could wear really chunky sneakers.
Or send 8 text messages as emails.
You could end every sentence with period.
Or call every feeling I have anxiety.
You could ghost someone because of their astrological sign.
Or I could use AI to see what I would look like as a sexy Viking.
You could do the apple dance, ironically, but still look really hot.
Or I could tell my boyfriend he looks like a Victorian child dying of the plague when he sleeps.
Okay. Or you could get a mom tattoo with a flaming heart around it on your shoulder. The thing is that they don't even know what it means.
I think it's just a catch-all for the people they want buying this stuff.
Yes, ma'am. I could put on this outfit instead and go out there and do some like TikTok stuff if you don't want to do it.
Thank God. There's that weird cliche about how every time someone takes your photo,
No, you're just floating. Excellent.
they take part of your soul.
Perfect.
I wonder how many parts of my soul I've given.
Move to your left, please.
Probably like around 17,000 pieces of soul, approximately.
But favor your right.
My soul is enormous, though, clearly.
Not that far right. And a little forward. Just a little forward. A little forward, but lean back.
What?
Great. That's a good one. Okay. All right, this one where I want you to relax a little bit more. So, shoulders up. Up. Just like that. And then let them drop, like you're sad. Just let them drop, like, oh. Good. Okay, hold that. Think willow tree. Yeah. Okay. I want you to think about the wind blowing in your face, but only from the right side of your face. And it's a little chilly, not that chilly. A little hotter. It's a little hotter. And the wind stopped blowing. Excellent. Let's try the same from a different angle. You're doing very good.
Thanks.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, I'm Kaia Gerber.
Deep breath, shoulders back.
This was a mango campaign.
Ugh.